Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your make money online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a reoccurring or recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review.
Are you searching for the fastest and simple way to start a profitable business online? Welcome to the Secret Ways outstanding digital product ready to sell without download and install anything. It's time for you to create and sell the mind-blowing slide animation templates for your unlimited buyers starting today. Imagine. Today you can create and sell eye-catching slide animation templates to your customer without installing and download files. Just access, edit, export, and sell on your social media, website, or anything. Yes, this time is perfect to generate your passive income by selling animation templates. But the problem is, how do successful digital marketers generate income online without the headache of downloading and installing templates and many other problems? Introducing SlideMotion. +500 mind-blowing Canva animated slide templates. With private label rights to sell it as your product and generate 100% profits with minimum effort. It's an all-in-one animated slide tool for unlimited traffic and sales. Your slide animation templates are ready to use and sell in a few seconds. No more create yourself, no more stress, no more wasting time, and no more download files. SlideMotion comes full of tools you need to grab buyers' attention, with animated slides using just the Canva free account. Say hello to a new era of efficiency and success. Just copy and paste the link. So easy to create and sell high-quality animation slides like professional now. Check out our templates. Just 3 simple steps using SlideMotion. Step number 1, login and select a template. Step number 2, customize the template with Canva. Step number 3, export and present. If you want to sell, just copy and paste the SlideMotion template link, and your templates are ready to sell in a few seconds. The best part is, you will get a private label right license only for this launch period. So you can keep 100% profit you make by selling SlideMotion templates. Now stop wasting your time and money trying to create high-quality slide animations for your business. SlideMotion helps you with countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price SlideMotion will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access SlideMotion with special discount prices plus a private label rights.
Hi folks, I'm back. Just to remind you of my 4 bonuses. Find out how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources. Number 2, earn income on Fiverr. Number 3, earn recurring passive income. And number 4, invest 15 minutes a day and get up to $186. And don't forget to check out to earn 10 grand a month in the first link below.